Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, we are from Group 3 with the member Marcella, Nur Afifah, and Putri Oktaseni will present our discussions today about economic crisis. And the first material will explain by Marcella. For Marcella, time is yours.
Uh, thank you. Yeah, type of economic crisis and transmissions lineage of their impact. Next, type of economic crisis and transmissions pathways of its impact. Number one, productions crisis. This crisis is a type of economic crisis. Originations from within the country. This crisis can take the form of a sudden decline in domestic productions of an agricultural commodity, for example, rice. Number two, banking crisis. The immediate impact or pace of the effect of the banking crisis is the decline in employment and income in the financial subsector. Number three, exchange rate crisis. A change in the exchange rate of a currency, for example, the rupiah against the US dollar, which is considered a crisis if the exchange rate of the currency is experiencing a decline or a very large depreciations, which is a sudden or continuous process that from an increase 10 rupiah per 1 US dollar. Next. Number four, the trade crisis. In the export of service, a crisis called occur if the number of foreign tourists visiting the country decrease drastically, or the number of remittance to Indonesians from Indonesians. Worker about experience a significant reductions. In the case of imports, a significant increase in the world price or a sudden and large decrease in the world supply of a commodity trade on the global market can constitute uh, can constitute a serious economic crisis for importing country if the commodity is very serious, crucial, for example, rice or oil, which are also often key commodity for the poor. Okay, thank you.
And the next about key transmission line and crisis impact monitoring indicators. Key transmission lines and crisis impact monitoring indicators. Production crisis. Main transmission line is employment opportunity, income, and inflation. And key indicators to monitor impact is output by sector and regions. Second, employment opportunities by sector and regions. Third, revenue by sector and regions. Fourth, inflation or CPI by regions. And the last is poverty by regions. And the next about empirical analysis will explain by Akifah. For Akifah, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The last is empirical analysis. Empirical is a situation that is based on the real event or event that have been experienced and obtained through reach observation or experiment that have been carried out. And the next is this empirical result in data is known as empirical evidence. This empirical evidence is a search of knowledge obtained for observation or experiment that have been carried out. Okay, thank you, moderator.
And yeah, and the last is a threat crisis, like in the export of diabetes. A crisis could occur if the number of foreign tourists visiting the country decreased drastically, or the number of remittance to Indonesia from Indonesian workers who work abroad experienced a significant reduction. In the case of imports, a significant increase in world prices or a sudden and large decrease in the world supply of commodity trade on the global market can still seduce a serious economic crisis for importing countries if the commodity is very serious. And yeah, guys, that's all about our material. Thanks for your attention. And our the sections is additions and suggestions. And the last is question and answer in the learning. Thanks for your attention, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.